Sihle sawubona mbukeli sikwamukele kuhlelo lwethu lanamuhla Yilungelo Lakho. It's your right, your leading consumer affairs TV show and siza kuwena bukhoma la kumamba phambili SABC1 Mzansi for sure. Siyasakaza futhi mbukeli lapha ku SABC Plus. If when you smart enough and you went and downloaded the app uhleli nomajali umangcolosi mbukeli, thank you so much for joining us. Manje namhlanje mbukeli sithi uma sithi khona ubugebengu phela obuyingozi nobungasifica phela singalindele ingozi yama job scams lesisuke esikhuluma ngayo noma imisebenzi imbumbulu esihlangana nayo kwizindawo nezindawo ngisho kakhulu la ku social media platforms. Yebo niyakwazi lokho bakithi, kodwa ke namhlanje sifuna ukuthi sinazise ukuthi ukubona kanjani ukuthi phela usuzithola uphakathi nendawo mayelana nale job scam. Asihlale shiqe odabeni lethu namhlanje. Izivakashi zethu mbukeli zikhona la e-studio phela ukuzokhuluma nathi kabanzi ngokuthi ububona kanjani phela lobungozi bama job scams noma imisebenzi mbumbulo. For that discussion, let's welcome Mr. Chad Thomas obuya IRS Forensic Investigations. Sibe nayo noNazia Karim who's going to join us after the break. Uyena ke umele i-Southern African Fraud Prevention Services la e-studio ke sinayo futhi uBut Martin Rachibanda. Yena ke umele umnyango wezemisebenzi phecelezi i-Labor Department. Gentlemen, a very good afternoon to both of you. Thank you so much for joining us. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
All right, Martin, let's start with you. Awusichazele baba ukuthi lama scams laba mesikhuluma ngama job scams, especially on online platforms. Ama department afana nani o labor niyawa advertiser yini ama post online?
Ama posts our advertiser online. It's a generic thing in government. That posts are advertised online. You find it even in the PSA. Now, but Tina, in particular, as a Department of Employment and Labour, in a system, ebizwa Employment Services System of South Africa, ESSA in brief. This is an online system where work seekers can come and register as work seekers.
Okay.
My employers now can come and register the opportunities.
Okay.
And this is for free. What the system does is that the system match the profile of a job seeker with the profile of an opportunity. It also does the shortlisting to get the candidates or the work seekers whose profiles match as close as possible to the requirements of the job. And we then make those CVs available to the employer. And I'm saying that's for free. So maybe we can use this opportunity to market the service, to say to our work seekers out there that instead of continuing to fall victims to Lama scams, where you are even expected to pay, here is a service that government has created for you, which is for free.
And how safe is it, Babu Martin?
It's very, very safe. It has never been scammed by anyone.
Okay.
It's a very safe system. It's also of benefit to the employers. Because if you ask yourself, how much does it cost to advertise a post, be it on the media, newspapers?
It's quite expensive.
And how long does it take to do the recruitment? Now, we do that for employers for free.
Okay, all right, very interesting. So, Chad, maybe Babu Martin, Chad, I want to understand firstly, for the benefit of our viewers, what the role of the IRS Forensic Investigations as well as SAFPS is, particularly in line with, job scams.
So IRS Forensic Investigations investigates complex financial crime, but as part of our CSI, we try to educate the public using social media platforms as well as mainstream media, such as today's show, to educate the public about prolific scams that could target them.
All right, but Martin, ubusangitshela la ukuthi ilokhuzana yenu isafe and ayikaze ihackwe, kodwa understand ukuthi nake naba ama victims where ama systems wenu got hacked. So maybe just take us through a background ukuthi what happened there, and then how have you actually turned the situation around and remedied it?
Yeah, no, it did not necessarily hack our systems. We learned through the social media of a scam where people were being promised jobs, the admin jobs, and they were made to pay amounts of 250, refundable 250 sums of money at PEP with a promise that they will get money. And they were using the name of the department as if it's the department that is running that recruitment. Now, as I said, the Department of Employment and Labour only